In this video, I will show you how to design a professional party poster by using Photoshop. The design is clean, modern, and perfect for promotion or for client. The first, let's create a new document. I use shortcut Ctrl-N. I customize it on Press Detail. The top one is the name of document. I'm using 1080 by 1350 pixels and resolution I put 300 pixels inch, and I use RGB color mode. Design works perfectly for social media poster, and next I click on create. And next up I save this document. I go to file, choose save as for the first sale and choose the place you want to save. And here file name, you can put what you want. Save as tab, choose PSD, Photoshop, and click save. And next up I add gradient color. I click on create new field or adjustment layer and choose gradient. Click here to change color and choose this color. If you want to change, just double click on it and choose the color, and another side the same and click OK. Start, I choose linear. Everything around change and OK. And next up I insert the background. I drop this one. And I move down to the gradient layer. Gradient I put 5%. And I want to change the color, so I add curve and choose saturation. I Ctrl U to add curve. I increase saturation. I put 53. Okay. And I Ctrl M to add curve. And I Ctrl J to duplicate layer. Ctrl T, right click and choose flip vertical. Right click and horizontal. Okay. And I put layer mask to brush over here. I choose brush tool and choose soft round. Opacity I put 100. The foreground color I choose black and brush it. Next up I insert smoke. I drop this one. Blend mode I change the screen. And opacity of it I put 40%. So I just tap number 4 on the keyboard. Okay, for next step I add text as a background over here and over here. And choose text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. I decrease fill to 0 and I go to add stroke. I go to effect, choose stroke. Size I put 2. Fill tab I change to color and choose this color and OK. And then put drop shadow as well. And opacity I put 10%. Okay, like that. I Ctrl J to duplicate and I put on another side. Okay. I put it to one group, so I select all layer. Ctrl G. And put the name VG background. And for next step, I insert the main subject. I Ctrl J to duplicate layer. I close the eye for the above layer, and for the below layer I convert it to smart object. Click on it and make it dot dot and look like black and white. I go to image mode and grayscale, rasterize. Go to image again mode and bitmap. Click OK. Output I put 300 pixel in. Measure I choose half turn screen and OK. Frequency 50 line inch and OK. And I Ctrl S to save. And I back to the main poster. I remove background from the subject. Select on it and choose select subject. And I put layer mask by click here. Okay. And I open the above layer. And I move the up to right side. And for above layer, I add curve on it. I Ctrl M. Okay. And I press for the black and white layer. This one. I click on mask. I use brush tool and press it. For the layer as well. Put layer mask, opacity I put 70%. Foreground color, make sure it's black. And I add the texture background one more. I drop this one. I change blend mode to lighten. And I put layer mask, choose brush tool again, and the same before, and press it. Our flyer nearly finished, and next up I add text. Okay, finished. And final step, I show you how to export it. For export the flyer, we go to File, choose Export, and click Export as JPEG, and choose the place you want to save. And just click save. And here is the final party poster. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. And if you have questions, let me know in the comments. See you next video.